Buenos dias. Good morning.
Buenos dias.
Welcome back to another video. We haven't done a family outing since last year, since October. And we are actually heading to...
What was that?
Where are we going?
Great Wolf Lodge.
Yes, we are going to the Great Wolf Lodge today. Are you guys excited?
Water park
Yes.
with the big water slide.
Yes. So we're just basically waiting. We have everything packed, but we're waiting for Daddy to come back with the snacks. And we're going to be on the move pretty soon. So should be exciting. I haven't been in all my life here in Canada. I've never been to the Great Wolf Lodge. So super excited for myself and my husband as well. We are on the road early because we need to stop to see if there are some water floaties for the boys. And
Stop it.
okay, put your foot down, please. And we need to grab gas and like all that fun stuff because it decided to snow on the first day of spring or the day after as well.
For this morning, which is a little cool, but later on this afternoon, because of the sunshine, it's going to start feeling like around -4, which is kind of doable to get out and do things. Cold.
It's not. Anzo, where are we going? Stopping to eat at McDonald's for lunch. Okay, go inside. Oh yeah, it's busy. What are you getting to eat?
McDonald's,
Yeah, but what are you getting to eat?
hamburger and french fries.
And what do you think Mom is gonna get to eat?
Big Mac.
A Big Mac. That's right. We stopped at the Niagara Outlets to do a little bit of shopping damage. And I guess American Eagle is like, everything's under $25. The day I come, like honestly, prepared for the kids, we're dropping money on us. He ended up purchasing his Puma stuff. He ain't no baby no more. So did Ezekiel. Okay. Okay, go.
No, we only
Here,
get one
hold
right.
it.
Hold it. Tell him where we are.
We're at Walmart.
What are we looking for?
What?
Look at the screen. It's awesome.
Food.
And juice.
Juice.
And you gotta take your finger out of there. Here we go.
That's cheaper than what you pay.
What is this?
Juice.
Okay.
Yellow.
Okay. You can pause it for a minute. Pause.
Pause.
Yeah.
We should. I think we should try.
Yeah, you and Ezekiel.
Mommy, let's talk what the food is. Talk.
Oh look, there's more. Okay, we gotta go look for water wings.
Okay, let's get water wings.
We actually made it. And we have a little bit of time to spare, but it's pretty cool.
But yeah,
And huge. And busy.
and
So I'm gonna have to probably walk through those doors to register and hope to God that everything goes well. So we've been in the water park for a little bit and our room is ready and I just walked into this. Holy crap. Like this is, shout out to the mom and the two-piece. This is insane. Look at this. They have like the coffee maker, I think. Ice. Fridge. Oh, they have a lock, but I'm sure that's extra. And then this. Holy crap. This place is not for the weak. literally, I am overstimulated. A grown-ass adult is overstimulated just because, I'm gonna put you down there. I literally had to go and get all of the bags. And on top of that, you need have one main elevator, and I didn't know that there was another one out the hallway over here. So now I'm like, give me a drink because I need to calm the F down, and then I'll go take the kids to the water park. The tablet's there. So is my laptop. Just putting my skincare stuff and my hair masks. I got my makeup here. Setting up the kids' happy juice, our stuff, kids' stuff, and they're over there eating. But literally, this is so convenient. I do like that they have a microwave because I knew I should have just bought something to eat. And the washroom in here is just the toilet and the shower. Let's see.
That'll just be.
We had a successful
Ezekiel, don't do that. Alonzo, your brother. Let's on this toothbrush.
visits to the water park, but I feel like I tweaked my back. And every time that I try to get up off the bed, it just is, ridiculous. What would a hotel stay without the leaves? But then, husband's over there.
Hey, let him do it on his toothbrush. Ezekiel, go do it on your toothbrush.
And of course, these two. Trying to get ready for bed. Good morning, everybody. Happy Sunday. I actually woke up early to go into the gym, but this place, we're staying at the Great Wolf Lodge. It's pretty much like a nightclub for kids or a casino for kids. This was so packed yesterday, but that's the water park. I don't know if we'll be doing that again. It's a lot of work, especially with two young kids that want to do everything. I ended up going, let's go up this way. I ended up going on the slide yesterday with the kids, and I took a tumble, but I think also I went on the lazy river, and I kind of tweaked my back, so it was hard to sleep. The cute thing about these places is that they have restaurants. Obviously it's like extra, but that was coffee. I think I'm gonna come back. And then this is like an all-you-can-eat, I think, like a buffet style. My alarm. Back here, There's like a dining area. And I think that's they call it the training post, but I think that's like the souvenir place. I'm just happy that it's kind of quiet and I was able to do that. We are on the 4th floor, but I also feel like everybody's on the 4th floor. So getting into these elevators have been quite a hassle. Here's another view of the water park from up on the 4th floor. Oh, you gotta zoom in on me. So here's the zoom of the water park. So this is the wave pool. This is like for the kids. This is like all the slides that one day by myself I'll go on if I didn't have the kids. Over here is like the the lazy pool, and then over here is like another 2 pools. Good morning. With some snow on the floor, on the ground again. People are now waking up. Hi. No. Good morning, Mommy. How'd you sleep, Ezekiel? Yeah. And just like that, our time here concludes, but we are meeting up with my sister in Niagara to do some things with them and then go home. By the way, this is the shirt that I got from American Eagle that I was telling you guys about, but I also got the sweater in green. They are one of the last clearance locations. My husband ended up getting those jeans that he's wearing right now, and I don't know, maybe we go back for more. What do you think?
Maybe. I'm not excited to come here for something different that I haven't done.
Which was the Great Wolf Lodge. This never gets old. Never. Cold. It's like frozen. I don't know if, like, you can see the icicles on the side.
Sorry? Yeah, that water never freezes. Way too powerful to freeze.
Clifton Hill. Here we are. What are we doing? Walking down? I'm going solo on this ride for the first time, and it's so freaking hilarious. It's like ghosts. Kids are too scared. Son of a bitch. I feel like something's gonna pop out. Look, something's gonna pop out. I swear to you.